you're watching Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, the biggest problem of yours with solution is here. The biggest problem of yours, every student always say me, ma'am, we are alone, we don't have partner, how should we do the speaking practice of German, how should we practice, how should we increase our vocabulary, like lots of questions. So here is a detailed video to answer this question, that how it is possible to practice German speaking without having any German partner, any partner who can help you, any partner, any friend who can actually sit and share the news with you, share the speaking practice with you. So yes, here is the answer. Make sure to watch this video, make sure to share this video, because this gonna helping you so very much. Yes guys, if you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of Gyan. Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation and whatnot. So why do you waste time? Enroll with Gyan and let's get in this video. Let's go.
How to practice German speaking without the partner. Language learning thrives on repetition and active use. In a 1 or 2 hour class, a student might get only 10 to 15 minutes of actual speaking time. The rest goes to listening to the teacher, grammar explanations, or waiting for other students. Once class ends, the learner steps back into an environment where German simply isn't spoken. Why the rest of the day matters so much? Learning German is not just about your 1 hour study sessions, it's about how much German you use in your daily life. The first point is exposure is equals to fluency. Experts say that you need constant exposure plus immersion, that means listening, speaking and thinking in German daily and not just studying grammar. Then second, problem for learner outside Germany. If you live in India or any other country where no one speaks German, that means there is no German environment and no one speaks German around you. So your brain doesn't get natural practice. Third one is no speaking practice. Most learners don't have a speaking partner or don't use German in daily life, and the result is that they understand German but they can't speak. Then comes passive learning. So passive learning is not enough, because watching videos and reading helps you understanding the language but not speaking confidence. So if you want to speak German, you need active speaking and not passive learning. The last one, forgetting curve. If you don't revise or use German, you forget it in 24 to 48 hours. That's why daily practice is a must. The specific problems learners face. These are the hidden reasons why many students understand German but can't speak fluently. The first reason is confidence erosion. Over the time, students lose confidence. And why this happens? It's because they don't speak regularly or they forget words, and sometimes they feel I'm not good enough, which results they stop trying to speak. Second one, no feedback loop. Nobody corrects your mistakes and you keep on using wrong grammar and wrong pronunciation, and if no one corrects you, your mistakes become permanent. Third, lack of spontaneous conversations. Real life conversations are unpredictable, and in classrooms, students only practice prepared sentences, but in real life they get stuck and they can't respond quickly. Then comes scheduling barriers. There are some things which are hard to find, such as speaking partners and common time, which results in inconsistency in practice. The fifth one, fear of judgment. Students think that what if I make mistakes, or what will others think? So they stay silent instead of speaking. Now comes the solutions to these problems. The first one, self-talk. Narrate your daily actions in German to actively recall vocabulary and real time. Then comes shadowing. Listen to native audios and speak along simultaneously to improve pronunciations, rhythm, and fluency. Third is recording yourself. Speaking and listening to your own recordings helps identify and correct mistakes quickly. Another solutions, thinking in German. Start forming thoughts directly in German instead of translating from your native language. Then sticky label method. Label everyday objects around you to absorb vocabulary passively throughout the day. Next, consistency wins. 20 minutes of daily solo practice is more effective than waiting for classes or partners. And the last one, make it a lifestyle. Real progress happens when German becomes part of your everyday routine and not just a subject. To improve your speaking, you can take a challenge of daily 2 minute speaking. Every day, one topic without any excuse. Some topics like mein Tag, mein Lieblingsessen, meine Familie, or mein Ziel. Now, the rule is speak for 2 minutes non stop. Even if you are making mistakes, keep on making, just keep continue. That's the challenge we can do. And after some times, you can see the changes in yourself only.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for showering lots of love to all the videos which we are sharing. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.